Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The Best Marine 31 Vinyl Cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for any boat owner looking to maintain the pristine condition of their vinyl surfaces, offering a powerful yet gentle solution that cuts through grime, salt residue, and everyday wear and tear without causing damage, ensuring your boat's interior and exterior vinyl gleams like new and remains protected against the harsh marine environment. Number 5. 303 Products Marine Clear Protective Cleaner 32 ounces. Shield your boat's vinyl and plastics from the sun's harsh UV rays. This powerful protector repels dust and dirt, preventing fading and cracking to keep surfaces looking newer for longer. Keep your marine vinyl and plastics looking their best. This gentle spray prevents yellowing and cracking, drying invisibly to maintain a premium appearance. Achieve a smooth, matte finish without any oily residue. It's a powerful cleanser and restorer that dries clear, leaving surfaces looking pristine. Simply apply to clean, dry surfaces and wipe dry with a microfiber towel. For maximum UV protection, reapply every 3 to 5 weeks. For decades, 303 products have offered premium protection for your vehicles and watercraft. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investments are safeguarded. Our products are designed to last, with a shelf life of 2 years from the packaging date. You can rely on consistent performance whenever you need it. What we like. This product offers superior UV protection, preventing yellowing and cracking of your vinyl and plastic surfaces. If you are looking for long-term preservation and a matte finish without residue, this is an excellent choice for maintaining the pristine look of your boat's interior. What people say. It cleaned and restored my boat's canvas far better than I expected. It easily removed dirt, salt residue, and light oxidation, leaving everything looking bright, clear, and refreshed. It not only cleans but also leaves behind a protective finish that helps repel water and grime. The shine it brings back to clear surfaces and trim makes the boat look well maintained and almost new again. This cleaner does a great job of lifting dirt, grime, and light oxidation from vinyl and clear plastic surfaces like Strataglass, isinglass, and other marine windows, and it doesn't leave behind streaks or a greasy film. Number 4. Boat Juice Interior 2-in-1 Cleaner and Protectant. Tired of difficult boat interior cleaning? This product offers the perfect balance between a powerful cleaner and essential UV protectant, making your job simpler. We created a better solution for your boat's interior. Say goodbye to harsh chemical smells and the hassle of using multiple products for one task. This formula quickly penetrates surfaces to effectively remove tough stains, food spills, and ground-in dirt. It gets the job done fast. Keep your boat's interior looking its best by protecting it from the sun's harmful rays. It provides UV protection without leaving any oily or greasy residue. You can confidently use this on upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and even foam flooring. It's designed to be safe for all your interior materials. Experience a delightful and refreshing orange creamsicle scent while you clean. It makes maintaining your boat's interior a more pleasant task. What we like. This offers a convenient 2-in-1 solution for cleaning and UV protection with a delightful scent. If you want an efficient product that tackles stains effectively and leaves your boat interior smelling great, this is the one for you. What people say. It smells amazing and cleans well. Leaves no residue. One bottle lasted an entire summer on my 22-foot pontoon. It smells wonderful and works really well on vinyl seats. Our boat is all white and it's been difficult to keep clean, but I love this stuff. Amazed by how well it cleaned with very little effort. This stuff starts working as soon as it leaves the sprayer. Amazing results. Number 3. Boat Juice Necessity Boat Cleaner Kit. Introducing our revolutionary boat cleaner kit. This powerful formula cleans and protects your boat in a single step, leaving it glossy and spot-free. It's safe to use whether your boat is wet or dry. Effortlessly remove tough mineral deposits and hard water spots from your boat's exterior. Simply spray it on, wipe it off, and buff to a brilliant shine. It's safe for all surfaces. We created this kit to offer a superior cleaning solution. Say goodbye to harsh, unpleasant odors and the hassle of using multiple products for one job. Our interior spray is designed for easy cleaning and UV protection. It provides the perfect balance of cleaning power and protective qualities to keep your boat's interior looking its best. You can confidently use this product on all your boat's interior surfaces. It is safe for upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and even foam flooring. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides both interior cleaning and exterior protection with ASiO2 sealant, also acting as a water spot remover. If you're looking for a complete detailing solution that leaves your entire boat glossy and spot-free, this kit is ideal. What people say. The exterior spray is phenomenal. It effortlessly removed water spots and left a beautiful, glossy shine on my boat. The ease with which it cut through grime was impressive, making my usual cleaning routine much quicker and more effective. The interior spray is equally remarkable. It left the seats looking like new, soft, clean, and fresh. This kit is seriously impressive. I've used it on my boat's vinyl seats, interior flooring, and exterior gel coat. Everything came out looking clean, glossy, and fresh. The cleaners are super easy to use, just spray and wipe. The foam clings well, dries fast, and leaves zero streaks. Number 2. Better Boat Mold and Mildew Stain Remover 22-ounce spray. Are you struggling with stubborn mold and mildew stains? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle these unsightly blemishes effectively. This versatile spray is perfect for a variety of surfaces. Use it on boat seats, bathroom tiles, shower grout, and even patio furniture. Don't worry about damaging your materials. It's safe and effective on fabric, vinyl, carpet, and canvas without causing harm. Application is a breeze with our convenient 22-ounce spray bottle. Simply spray and watch the stains disappear. Bring back the original beauty of your boat, bathroom, or outdoor spaces. Enjoy a cleaner, brighter look with minimal effort. Choose Better Boat for a reliable solution to mold and mildew problems. Get a spotless finish every time. What we like. This product is specifically designed to tackle tough mold and mildew stains on various surfaces. If you're dealing with stubborn discoloration and need a fast-acting solution for fabric, vinyl, or tile, this is the targeted cleaner you need. What people say. Wow, this product really works on mold. I sprayed a lot on the counter both before I went to bed and in the morning before I went to work, and much less on the robe, only sprayed in the morning, and left it alone, no scrubbing. When I got home that night, no signs of mold at all on the counter or the robe. This product works. I was going to throw away a lounger we had because there was so much mildew on it. I tried this product and it did an amazing job at getting rid of the mildew. I started by spraying the right side as a test. I sprayed it on, came back 30 minutes later, and it was so much better. As I rinsed it with the hose, it got even cleaner. Great product. Spray on fabric on outdoor furniture, let dry in sun, mold and mildew disappears with not scrubbing. Number 1. Better Boat UV Protection Boat Cleaner Wipes. Sun damage gets worse with every trip. UV rays fade and crack surfaces. These wipes clean and protect, keeping your seats and dash looking great between details. Forget sprays, sponges, and towels. A cleaner lifts dirt while UV absorbers bond to the surface. Keep 40 pre-moistened wipes handy for quick touch-ups after every outing. Tired of shiny, slippery films? These wipes dry to a clean matte finish. They restore the original look without greasy residue or artificial shine. Use them on vinyl, leather, plastic, fiberglass, and more. They are non-toxic, petroleum-free, and have a fresh lemon scent. Perfect for seats, consoles, dashes, and hatches, inside and out. Double your supply with our convenient 2-pack. Always have one ready on your boat. They work great on boats, jet skis, pontoons, and PWCs. What we like. These wipes offer an incredibly convenient way to clean and protect your boat's surfaces with built-in UV absorbers. If you prioritize quick touch-ups after every trip and desire a non-greasy, matte finish that restores the original look, these wipes are perfect for on-the-go maintenance. What people say. This product is a great cleaner for vinyl seats and trim. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains without damaging the material. The cleaner leaves the vinyl looking new and protected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.